There are about 30 crore smartphone users in India, and this number is expected to grow by 40 crores. You are probably watching this video on a smartphone right now. But do you really know how your smartphone is made? We got a chance to visit one such factory that assembles smartphones for Gioni. Inside, at the first conveyor, the basic part of the hardware has arrived. A chipset that powers the phone's user experience is being prepared. The chip arrives with basic processing components in place and preloaded with the Android software. But it needs to be prepared with connections to all the peripherals like the display, front and rear cameras and the speaker that ships separately to the factory. The casing, on the other hand, comes with the display attached, a speaker, the cameras and the prepared chips are fitted onto the casing. All this is then covered and sealed in place. The facility produces around 12,000 phones every day. To complete this mammoth target, several teams work round the clock in shifts. A machine puts screws to the penultimate back cover. Surprisingly, this is the only automated process in the whole assembling of the phone. As the skeleton is being prepared, the phone is taken on and off the conveyor several times. It then goes to the camera finishing department that blows clean the camera unit and adds a lens cover to it. The phone is now ready, but it's only half the work done. With all the components in place, it's finally sealed to become one single unit. The first lot is collected and sent to the testing conveyor where the phone will boot for the first time. But it's not powered on the battery. Instead, it's powered directly and put in a box for testing the network. If everything is okay, a machine generates the IMEI sticker. The phone now has an identity and is sent for further testing. But this time it will be powered on batteries. From touchscreen, speakers and microphones to Wi-Fi and camera, every component of the phone is tested for proper functioning manually. If a unit is found to be faulty, it's removed from the lot and sent to another team that tears it down and replaces the defective component. The tests are comprehensive and take around as much time as that of assembling the phone. Over 20 different tests are done to make sure the phone is working as intended when you take it out of the box. If everything goes right, this is deemed fit for shipping. The batteries are removed and packed separately in the box along with other accessories and of course the phone. The phones are now ready to ship to company distributors from where it goes to online or offline retailers across the country who ship the phone to you.